Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nadia and I'm so excited you are here. I'm a busy mompreneur living in the UK and I created this channel to help you parents navigate this exciting, crazy sometimes journey of parenthood, education and business, all while teaching you some Spanish along the way. I'm original from Madrid, Spain, and I have lived in the UK for over 10 years. I am a mom of two, a girl 7 years old and a boy 5 years old. And along having my own businesses in the UK, I home educate my children too. I know firsthand how overwhelming life can be. And that's why I'm here, to give you the best tips and tricks, to give you all the tools and to give you my own experience, my own journey, so you can see that you can do it. And as well, you can use other resources to help your children develop their own education. On this channel, you will find three main topics. We're gonna do Spanish lessons, where they are all designed for children, teenagers, and adults for like traveling or business. I'm gonna be doing a lot of small lessons so everybody will learn one step at a time. As well, I'm a mompreneur, I'm a single mom, I have my own businesses from home, so I receive a lot of requests of people asking, how can you manage to have two kids 24/7 with you, home educate them, run a business, and still look like you have it all together? Well, I'm gonna bring you all those tips and tricks and my journey, so it's not always rainbow colors around me, okay? And as well, as I said before, I home educate my kids, so I'm gonna share with you multiple tools, tips and tricks, all what you should know before you start home education, if you've been doing it and you are doubting if you should continue or not. All of that we will cover in specific videos, and as well you will find more of all of this information on my vlog, so I will suggest you also check the description box down below for more information in these three topics. So if this sounds something that you're interested on, I will suggest you click the subscription button, you press the notification bell so you never miss any of the videos that I'm uploading, you like this video, and most importantly, if you are interested in any Spanish lessons, private lessons, personalized lessons, any sort of courses that you will want for you or your children to learn, I'll suggest you contact me on all the information on the description box down below, and I will be more than happy to get all the answers for the questions you might have. But until then, hasta luego!